Okay, guys, yes, the car looks incredible. It looks awesome, but I'm gonna show you guys the most insane thing. So this $50 part is gonna make it look incredible, guys. So I do see guys putting these on, but unfortunately they don't paint them white. So all this thing is, see, you just put it on right here like so. See what I mean? And that looks awesome, but if you have it black, you honestly can't really see it. So I don't know why guys are leaving these black, but I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna have like a review of this part. I got this off eBay, 50 bucks. In my opinion, best body kit ever. And I'll show you guys what it looks like on. And we're painting this white and this white. All right, so we are like at the halfway point of this transformation. I am repainting the whole front end because I got rock chips and stuff, as you can see. So I'm just fixing all that. Might as well. You do got to get creative with these a little bit to get them on right. See, I'm using some nuts and bolts. I drilled some holes in the right places to attach it to the bumper, right? Like this will unscrew. See, I put that, I JB welded it in. Does that make sense? Yeah, let me show you this way. Right, like these nuts will come off. That will go into there. And then this piece, right? See, I got nuts and bolts coming through. I can attach it exactly where I want it, because these actual holes that were in here originally, I don't like how this thing was like over here. So I attached it like further out. Yeah, like these holes, see? Like that. Anyways, so you're gonna have to get creative. Okay, I'm gonna put all this on and give it a paint job. And yes, guys, we are putting that onto this car. I hope you guys throw me a subscription if you want to see that. It's gonna look insanely nice. I'm telling you guys, super detailed video coming on the exhaust. That drag wing looks amazing. I also got a video on the side skirts. That was a pain in the butt to put those on. If you like these lights, I got a video on that. The depot headlights. And also, if your interior sucks, guys, I redid all the interior. Check it out. Looks brand new, guys.